Hi Pre-Calc, in this video I'm going to change the A value. So that will be the value that's multiplied in front of the trig function. So the A value is the amplitude. That will be how you vertically compress or stretch a function. I made the A value a 3, which means it's a vertical stretch because it's greater than 1. I've also rewritten the standard table for cosine and the new table we're going to create to draw this. So again, if it's inside the trig, it affects the domain. If it's outside the trig, it affects the range. So this is outside the trig, it affects the range. So everything that the cosine outputs is going to be multiplied by 3. So everything the cosine outputs is going to be multiplied by 3. So all the values are 3 times larger than they used to be. So this is me multiplying everybody by 3 because all the outputs are 3 times larger in this case. And again, there's nothing inside the trig, so it means that I didn't change the domain at all. The domain values will stay the same. Okay, so that's that part. And then when you graph it, again, be mindful to scale it. If you call this magnitude pi over 2, then this is 1.5. So you want to make sure that this magnitude is like 2/3 of this. If this is 1.5, then that's about 1. Okay, now I'm going to take my new table and I'm going to plot my points. So I've got 0 and 3, pi over 2 and 0. I've got pi and -3. I've got 3 pi over 2 and 0. I've got 2 pi and 3. Okay, so now I make my graph. Okay, this is one cycle, and now I just want you guys to repeat the cycle. Middle, down, middle, up. Okay. Middle, down, middle, up. And so on. Let me maybe just put one over here. Middle. Okay, so if you notice, the amplitude affects the height of the waves. So here's my original cosine function, and you can see the height of the waves. And here's my cosine function with the higher amplitude. So again, the A value changes the height of the wave. Okay, that changes how far vertically stretched it is. So this is stretched vertically. It goes up higher and it comes down lower. Okay gang, hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you again in another one. Bye-bye.